What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to another episode of KJD Investor. This is yours truly, KJ. And I want to say real quick, Happy New Year's to everybody who's watching this video. As a matter of fact, the recording of this video is the last day of 2024. And without further ado, let's jump into the portfolio. To end this year off right, guys, let's go ahead and look into the investing account. We're sitting at $60,040.35. Y'all, today the market has been a little bit choppy. Well, really choppy. But good and bad, guess what? We still was able to make money today. And we were able to buy more stocks today. Let's take a look. Buying power sitting at $506.32. They paid us out today on the interest of gold, 4% APY. If you have Robinhood Gold, they paid us today, and the money starts back over. Cash earning interest right now is $556.32. Taking a look into the cryptos, let's look at some Bitcoin. As a matter of fact, Bitcoin is right now is at $93,503. It's up today $1,100, almost $1,200. But right now, total return today is $1.2021. Total return is negative $4.52. We're still taking a loss in Bitcoin by $4. Not bad though, because it's only $4. But a loss is a loss, and we don't like losses over here. But however, there's a method to the madness. So don't lose your seat. Just hold on to your Bitcoin. We still have the same bit of Avalanche, also USDC coin, 101 shares. Ethereum's trading at $3,341 right now. We are actually up in Ethereum by $6.14. So Ethereum, the investment in Ethereum makes up for the loss in Bitcoin. Imagine that. Now, stocks and ETFs. Right now, today, guys, a lot of things were doing good this morning. And then we seen a lot of red kind of after 1 or 2 o'clock this evening. Things turned red in the market, which is a sign that people were selling off. No, I wasn't panicking or nothing like that. I never do. I'm not an emotional thinker. I'm a logical thinker. And so to be an investor, to be a good investor, you guys would have to be logical thinkers as well. Not to go and just because things are going red, sell all your share sizes, because that's not what you should do. You build wealth in the red and you collect wealth in the green. That's always the rule of thumb. So always remember that. So anyway, it's the last day of the year, 2024, December 31st, right? And so I know people will be trying to take profits to end the year, and rightfully so, because if you have shorts that you want to take profits of, if you have loans that it's kind of time for maturity for your investments and you want to take profits, then by golly, G. Wilkers, Batman, let you take the profits. But for me, it provided another buying opportunity, another dip day in the red. So, with 2024 coming to a close, guys, I'm going to be focusing on compounding interest over the long term. I said 10 years at the beginning of this journey. I got 9 more to go, and we're going to see where we at with this investing thing. Let's take a look at the top of the list here. Microsoft trading at $421.75. Microsoft is back down. I got an opportunity to get some, and you do too. I got 3.70 shares of Microsoft. Market value is $1,562.96. Average cost is $411.89. Total return right now on the year is $36.52, or a 2.39% increase. Not much going on with Microsoft. Year to date, the company is up 12.81%. Next, we got Amazon. Amazon's trading at $219.60, also on sale. I got 3.50 shares of Amazon. Market value $770.41. Average cost is $159.25. Total return is $211.73, or a positive 37.90% increase. I'm looking forward to getting more Amazon as time goes on, especially coming now in 2025. This stock is up year to date 44.91%. Next, we got Apple on the list. Apple, $250.41 per share. It's on sale. I got 22.09 shares of Apple. Market value is $5,532.34. Average cost is $175.83. Took a slight loss today, almost $40, but overall, we're up $1,647.72, or a positive 42.42% return on investment. Not a bad way to end our investments with Apple, with a 42% gain on the year. And right now, year to date is 33.80%, and we are over the average return for Apple, which is 33.80. We have 42.42. Awesome. Google, Alphabet Class A. This is what the voters writes. It's trading at $189.31. Also on sale today. We'll have 12.71 shares of Google Alphabet Class A. Market value is $2,406.89. Average cost $144.36. Total return is $571.57, or a 31.14% return on investment. Google right now is up for the year 36.64% year to date. This is the last day of the year, so great return for Google Alphabet Class A, and Alphabet Class C is just alike. We're going down to Walmart. Walmart ends the year off with $90.44 closing price. We have a dividend coming in for Walmart, $22.42. Walmart market buy. I also did my weekly dollar cost average DCA into Walmart, so that's what that is as well. I got 109.09 shares of Walmart. Market value is $9,866.53. Once the market kind of rebounds and resets itself, you guys will see that 9,800 will turn back into over 10,000. I really have over $10,000 into Walmart right now. Average cost is $57.34. Total return is $3,610.98, or a positive 57.72% increase on the year. Right here, Walmart is up 72.54% year to date. Amazing numbers from a value company, Walmart. It's not even a growth stock. It's a value stock. SCHD, the first ETF I want to talk about that's going to get us the wealth. SCHD is the Schwab U.S. Dividend Equity ETF, $27.34. What it closed at today is a big defensive player to the downward market. I got 237.88 shares of SCHD. Market value is $6,503.86. Average cost is $26.30. And also, the total return is $247.54, which is a 3.96% return. Today, like I say, it's a defensive player when it comes down to the market going down. Look at today. Today is a total return of $26.17, or a 0.40% increase. Even when the whole market is down, SCHD is up. Year to date, SCHD has made an 8.12% return on the dollar, which is great because anything over 8%, guys, we're getting rich. Can't be mad about that. Coca-Cola will end the year with $62.27. I have 32.71 shares of Coca-Cola. Market value is $2,037.25. Average cost is $60.72. Total return is $50.56 positive. At least it's in the positive, right? For a 2.55% increase. Guys, what do you think about Coca-Cola? Value company, value stock, big dividend payer. Thinking about either expanding my market shares in year 25, or should I actually consider selling this off and getting the profits and doing something else with it? Will it be better serving me somewhere else? And the reason I ask is because if you look at the year to date, Coca-Cola has returned a 5.90% return. That's it, guys. It's not even 7%. So Coca-Cola has announced that they got like big plans coming out for the future with their new drinks and new advertisements and things. Maybe that's going to help shake it up for Coca-Cola. I don't know. But that's my that's where they stand at in my portfolio. Let me know in the comments below what I should do with Coca-Cola. All right, next up, I got SPLG. It's my SPDR portfolio, S&P 500. SPLG is sitting at $69.10. We were down in the market today, but we're up in the after hours. I guess some people been trying to buy some in the after hours. SPLG dividends, $47.89, just got reinvested back into the portfolio before the year ends. I have 207.87 shares right here in this part of the portfolio. Market value is $14,364.28. Average cost is $63.57. Even though it took a little dip today, $21 dip, we had a total return of 1149.62, which is an 8.70% increase on the dollar. Year to date, SPLG ends the year at 24.44% increase. Amazing, amazing numbers from this amazing ETF that's going to help us continue to get rich. Now, FTEC is the Fidelity Information Technology Index ETF. Sitting at 188.32. Took a dip, a little bit of a dip today in the market, but in the after hours, it got bought a lot. And so I got 5.34 shares right here at LTEC. The market value is $1,006.06. Average cost is $156.13. Total return is 171.97, or a 20.62% return on investment. This stock has been up and down all year, very, very choppy, but it is an information technology tracked ETF that tracks the top 100 and so, 200 and so companies, technology companies. Year to date, this ETF is up 33.03%. So big monster numbers returns for LTEC. This stock is my number one choice for 2025 to be investing into, and I'm gonna do just that. This is my information technology ETF. Next up, talk about DGRO, iShares Core Dividend Growth ETF. This is a hybrid ETF. It's a mix between growth and dividend payer. It's up in both today's market and the aftermarket. I have 74.41 shares. Market value is $4,576.47. Average cost is $56.78. Total return, $351.24, or 8.31% return increase on the dollar. I still haven't sold DGRO, guys. I've been asking about this, asking you guys for your opinion. If you look at the year-to-date, it's a 14.85% return year-to-date ROI. So I'm not mad at these numbers. They're not exactly the best numbers in the world, but they're not the most skimpiest either. It's over 8%. It's over 10%. So, hey, I can't be mad at DGRO and what it's done. First year having it. I appreciate the numbers that it's giving. But once again, another ETF I want to kind of consider thinking about. Should I sell DGRO heading into the new year and redirect these funds into something else that's going to help the portfolio grow a little bit quicker? You guys let me know. More stocks to consider. Meta platforms, I've heard a lot that's going to go on with Meta. Announced for 2025. I'm going to be a part of it, because I'm an owner of Meta Platforms, sitting at $585.60. Down in the market today, way down, but it was up in the after hours. So I'm planning on buying more Meta. I have 2.41 shares of Meta, $1,416.91. Average cost is $505.22. And even though we took a small delay to, negative today, we have a total return of $194.49, or a whopping 15.91% increase. Year to date, Meta is up 66.69%. Crazy numbers. Great return, great numbers. Like I said, I heard for 2025, Meta is the stock to watch. Another market. I'm expecting another stock split with this company coming up in the near future. I need way more than 2.4 shares to take advantage of the stock split that's coming. And so what I'm planning on doing, guys, is trying to bunker down for 2025. And Meta is one of those individual stocks that I'm going to increase my position in. Next, the big boy in the room, NVIDIA, sitting at $134.29. Down in the market today, up a little bit in the after hours. Earlier it was at 138. This stock never ceased to amaze me. It's very volatile. It goes up, it goes down rather quickly. Shares is 54.71 shares right here in this particular part of the portfolio. Market value is $7,348.30. Average cost is $118.26. Took a small decline dip today of $175 we lost, but total return overall is $877.19 or 13.56% return. Year to date, NVIDIA is up 172.70% year to date, which is amazing numbers. And hopefully they continue to climb and we can cross the $150 to $160 per share in 25. Traditional IRA is sitting at $42,750.87. We took a dip today, overall $604, but in the aftermarkets we went up to $86.04. So hopefully we'll continue to climb. Buying power is reduced a little bit. It's down to $8,862.79, which means I've been doing some buying. The stock I want to take a look at is this one, MicroStrategy. Right now, closed the market today at $292.99. Down a bit in the market, but it's up in the after hours. I went from 3 shares to 10. You guys can see my share size increased to 10. Market value is $2,929.90. Average cost is $297.14. I was able to lower that average cost a good bit today. Right now, we're taking a loss of $41.50 overall, but it's okay because it's not the end of the world. MicroStrategy is going to bounce back as soon as the market opens December 2nd. I'm looking for MicroStrategy to be back in the upper $317, $320, that range right there. That's what I'm looking for MicroStrategy to do. And once it hit those numbers, we'll be back in good shape. Next up is Costco. Costco is wow. Costco has dropped to $9.16.50. Y'all, I should have bought some more Costco. Costco is $916.50. I got 3 shares of Costco. Right now, market value is $2,749.50. Average cost is $338.68. Right now, total loss of $66.54. But that's okay, too, because I'm definitely expecting Costco to get back up to the 940s and 950 range immediately, soon as the market opens back up. Costco, good company. They make their money off of subscription services, and people subscribing to their company comes in their stores and buy their products. So, great company. AMD right now is ending the day trading at $120.39. I've been kind of waiting on this to drop like it has, so I'm glad that it did. I have 10 shares of AMD. Market value is $1,203.90. My average cost is actually $120.38, which it has not seen these prices since then. $120.38, and right now it's at $120.39. 1 cent in the positive. So total return right now is actually 10 cents or a positive 0.01%. And when it has been in the past, a positive like 15% or something like that. As we go look at the year to date, AMD is down 16.56%. And what that means is it's actually an opportunity to buy this stock at a great discount. And I believe AMD will make a historic revolution return. Advanced Micro Devices is the name of it. It's the second place player in the AI realm. NVIDIA, of course, has the most market share for making computer chips, but AMD is not a bad company. They have good ratings. They have a good president. They have good CEO. They actually make the same type of chips that NVIDIA would make, and they're actually they have a good, solid, fortified game plan here. So AMD, I'm looking forward in the new year, 2025. I'm looking forward to that thing jumping back up and bringing back some large returns. Okay, guys, we got $102,791.16. right here in the Robinhood account. Also, we got another $8,200 in the Fidelity investing account, and we got more money saved up in savings. So good job for that. On the road, we're on our way to 200K, and we're gonna get there any day. In 2025, man, set yourself up. Make the goals that you want to make. I kind of want to use this episode as an encouraging message, not necessarily just about this portfolio. That's why I'm kind of, if you hear me and it sounds like I'm looking for the words to say, I just want you guys to understand how important it is to set yourself up to be the best version of yourself that you can be. You guys don't have to settle for the rat race. You don't have to settle for never having enough money. You don't have to settle for not ever knowing where your next meal is going to come from. But you can actually invest your way into wealth. You can be the one in your family to break the family tree, to break the family curse. You can be the one in your family to actually start the wealth transfer for your family, your kids, your future kids, grandkids, stuff like that. Let yourself be the one that starts that tradition. If you didn't have anything passed down to you, you start it up so you can actually pass it down to the next generation. But anyway, that's my words of encouragement for you guys going into 2025. I hope you guys enjoyed this episode. Like, comment, subscribe, share the video. You already know what to do. If you're looking up there in the top right corner, I'm a part of the countdown thing. Earlier today, they had a countdown right here on Robinhood where they gave away some Dogecoin. And later on, they say they're going to drop another prize if you're on the screen at a certain time. So I'm going to make sure I'll be on here when that thing hits 00 to see what else they're giving out. Until next time, guys, this is KJ the Investor. Hope you guys have had an amazing year. I can't wait to see what 25 brings us. We're going to continue to make these videos. We're going to continue to grow. And we're going to continue to see what life has to offer us, man. Until next time, this is KJ the Investor signing out, over and out.